Morning, everyone.
Good morning, Rabbi.
We are learning Mishna Beitza, Perik Beis, chapter 2, Mishnah, Mishnah 5. Okay. Beishamai Yomrim. Beishamai say, Lo yachem adam chamin l'raglav. A person cannot heat up water for the sake of washing his feet with, with hot water. And can ruin the shtia unless they are fit to drink. Now we know that there are certain malachas, certain activities we may not do on Shabbos, maybe that we may do on Yontif, for the purpose of food preparation. So on Yontif, we can make a fire for the purpose of cooking. We can cook for the purpose of cooking up food. Now, if you're heating up water, you're going to be cooking up the water. Now, the thing is, though, why are you cooking up the water? You can cook it up because you want to drink the water, you want to drink hot water, you want to cook with the hot water, or do you want to use it for something else? According to Beis Shammai, you may not warm up the water, you may not cook up the water unless it's fit to drink. That's the wording of the Mishnah. It's fit to drink. And they bring down here from the Tosfos Yontif in the notes that although a person is forbidden to heat water specifically for washing, he may heat water if he intends to drink at least some of it. That's bring down from the Tosfos Yontif according to Beis Shammai. So the water has to be fit to drink, and you intend to drink some of it. You don't have to drink all of it. You can cook up the water. If it's fit to drink and you intend to drink some of it, then you can heat it up, even though you know you're going to be using the rest of the water for the purposes of washing your feet. But just to go ahead and do it solely for the purpose of washing your feet, according to Beis Shammai, you may not do that. The only time that malacha, that the activities that we can't do on Shabbos become permissible on Yontif is only if you actually use it for food preparation. Beis Hillel matirin. Beis Hillel permit. According to Beis Hillel, we apply a rule called mitoich, which means that once you have a malacha, you have a type of activity that is permitted for the purposes of food preparation. Once the malacha is permitted for that, I can now do that malacha for anything that's a yontif need. So being that I could cook up the water for the purposes of, drinking the water, for the purposes of consuming the water, I could also cook up the water for things that are not for food purposes, but they have to be a need for yontif itself. And then the Mishnah concludes with another thing that Beis Hillel says. I said the medura mischam kenegda. A person can make a medura bonfire and warm himself against it. He's not making the bonfire for the purpose of cooking anything. It's a bonfire. It's a big fire for the purpose of warming yourself up. According to Beis Hillel, that's not a problem. Being that I can make a fire for the purpose of food preparation, I can now make a fire for other yontif needs. Have a wonderful day and a good night.
Thank you, Rabbi. And a good night.